Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing good. Today's video is a little extra one for you. This is a huge, massive unboxing with Nicole Mould. Many of you will have heard of Nicole Mould, I am sure. I didn't even realise Nicole Mould have their own version of an eco resin. This is the Boowannite kit. So first up, this is the 1 kg Boowannite kit. It comes with a powder and a liquid. So this is part A, part B. And I guess when we look at other eco pours, I can mostly say that this is more like the Jesmonite because we get a liquid to mix in with it and it's not just water. So this is measurable by 3:1, and Boowannite is actually a gypsum reinforced aqua resin system. It's eco-friendly. If you want to pause the screen to read everything about it, please go ahead. I am so excited to try another eco pour, and all of the details to contact Nicole Mould are on the packaging as well, and also on the website. I will link below. There's loads of video tutorials and loads of different methods and advice that is on there on how to use it. Now, next up, we have the whole kit and caboodle. So if you didn't just want to buy the Boowannite powder and the liquid, you can buy it in this massive kit form. The kit comes with so many things to get you started, very much like a starter kit. In the kit is what you see here. You get the powder, so exactly what you saw me open from the box before. You get the powder and the liquid. So again, that's a 1 kg kit. As well as that, you get a spatula, which is super handy for getting every last drop out of the bowl. You get some mixing cups, some stirring sticks, and there's also a pair of gloves down in there. And you get pigments. I mean, I was excited by the pigments because there is a black. There is a black. So I am 100% putting this to the test. You will see this video coming tomorrow. So Saturday, the 30th of September, I will be using this all for the first time. Last up in this kit is a really handy sanding tool. Perfect for your terrazzo, and it comes with a few extra sanding pads. Real genius to add that into the kit. Let's talk about their molds. Oh my goodness. This is the S-shape pattern totem lidded pot. Say that in one breath. The best thing about these molds is that they all come with incredibly tough mold housings. The silicone itself is super strong, durable, really, really squishy though, so that when it comes to demold, you know you're not going to have an issue. But the best part is you don't have to worry about it being distorted in any way because it comes with its very own mold housing. You will just need bulldog clips to keep those together. Now, each of these pot molds do come with a lid also, so they are all lidded pots. That was the S-shape pattern. Next up, we have the triangle pattern totem. Very similar again. You get your lid in there, the mold for the lid, and then of course you get the actual pot mold itself alongside yet another pot mold housing. So again, gorgeous. This is what the lid looks like on the pot. Very, very simple design for the lid. Really lovely and flat. I will say one thing. When Nicole Mould contacted me and asked if I would like to collaborate and if they could send me some molds, they asked me to pick what I would like. I think I picked like 2 pots and a candle holder. And when I tell you, Nicole Mould sent me so much more than I could have ever imagined. Massively grateful to Nicole Mould for that. Thank you so much. So I genuinely was expecting 3 molds in the post and I got way more. So again, with this pot, same system. You've got your support and you just need your bulldog clips. This one here is the arrows, super cute. This one reminds me very Aztec-y, very Aztec-y. So these are the 3 pots. They all come with the lid as well and they are gorgeous. This is what I asked for. Well, actually, I asked for one. I was like, I really love the tea light holders. Could I maybe have the one with the 3? Nicole Mould sent me the entire set. I mean, look at these. Look at these, guys. If you are in any way doing craft fairs, if you sell, if you have an Etsy, these are guaranteed bestsellers. Like any form of tea light, they are also right up my street. I love a tea light mold. We've got the 1 cavity, 2, 3 and 4 cavity. Look at the size of this beast. This is huge, like bigger than both my hands combined. I honestly was not expecting to get the entire kit, but these are stunning. This is going to be the first video I'm going to be using these. In the first video using Nicole Moulds tomorrow, so please do hang around tomorrow, 30th of September. We're going to be using these molds. So excited. This kit, no, I was not expecting to receive this kit. So in this kit, this is the whole bathroom accessory kit. That's what I asked for, that pot. Just that pot. I was like, I'd love that pot for my bathroom. It's like a toothbrush holder. And they sent me the entire accessory kit. Like, honestly, mind blown. Mind blown. This kit is super cute. It's got these gorgeous rounded ridges on the whole set, so it all matches perfectly well. And the kit itself comes with a huge soap dish. It comes with a shorter lidded pot, and it comes with a taller toothbrush holder. So the one on the right is your toothbrush holder, the one on the left is the lidded pot, and they all match perfectly well. Super thick silicone. So these pots here feel like the silicone is a lot thicker than the ones that come with their own mold housing. But this soap dish, again, to me, this soap dish is huge, like massive. I do have a couple of soap dish molds and they're half the size. So to me, this would make an absolutely stunning trinket dish as well. Just doesn't even need to go in the bathroom. It's perfect for a trinket dish. Now, again, this mold comes with a lidded pot, so you just have your lidded section separately. Really unbelievable. I honestly cannot wait to use all of these. Like I said, the first video, I'm going to be trying out the Boowannite. So excited to try that. That video is coming tomorrow, 30th of September. 6 p.m. UK time, so do set your notifications and we'll test it out. We'll just see what it's like. I'm really intrigued. I want to compare it to the Jesmonite. I want to compare it to all of the other eco pours that I've used where you just add water. I just want to see what the difference is and how it reacts and how it works and all of that yummy yumminess. If you are interested in anything you've seen in this video, do check out Nicole Mould. I'm going to actually link their Instagram and their website down below for you to check out. They've got so many more molds than what you see right here in this video. The choice is vast, so head on over there. I've already got my eyes on their Christmas tree molds because, oh my goodness me, they look adorable. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.